hope you guys all were rested from Christmas yesterday. Today I have a massive haul from ASKARALI right here. My family just arrived back from Saudi Arabia. They brought me a bunch of fragrances. I'm so grateful for them. They brought me quite a few, but today we're going to be checking out ASKARALI Exotic Edition. This is the private line version, I think. I'm not really sure. I didn't go with them, but they did go by themselves. And I hope they had a nice time. So, got ASKARALI private collection. Quite a few, got three. Got 4 fragrances, sorry. ASKARALI got Rose, Oud, Amber Musk, Mukhalaf. So, let's start with Rose. Obviously quite intoxicating rose there. Very sweet, very mallow-like. Gets a nice look. Move on to the Oud. Hopefully I like it because there's a lot of Oud I do like, but then there are some I do not like. Whoa, straight from the basic with that nice dark, resinous, spicy, strong Oud. You are supposed to mix them together. So guys, put in the comments down below which ones you would like me to mix together. But anyway, from straight off the bat from Oud, you got that dark, resinous, spicy, dark Oud, similar to Gucci's Oud. But this stuff, on the next level, this stuff is so strong. It smells amazing, but whew, is it strong. Amber Musk, ooh, I love the new amber. So amber, get back to this. Oh, I didn't see this. On the atomizer, you got a little person atomizer. Leaving off Amber Musk. Spit the wrist. So I do definitely get a lot of that musk. And I do get a tiny bit of that sweet amber. The amber is lurking in there, a little bit medicinal, but the musk really overpowers it and smells, and it really smells great. That stuff smells great. Absolutely incredible. I love that. I prefer the rose and the Oud for this. I like the Oud because it's quite intoxicating, but when you mix it together with something else, it's lovely. Mukhalaf. I think this one is quite fresh. Yeah, straight off the bat we get that. It smells similar to the rose, doesn't it? It smells very fresh, floral, a bit aquatic. Very citrusy. Very nice, very citrusy. That was very nice. I really do appreciate my family for giving these to me. I do have quite a few left. I'll unbox them in the next video. Tell me which ones you would like me to combine together. But I like the rose and Oud combo, but tell me which ones you want me to combine down in the comments. I'll see you guys later.